Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. In version 4.4, build 1879, released July 29th, 2025, I have this new tab menu in VTube-STEP and VTube Laser. So it's the 360 counterclockwise tab, which is very similar now to the incremental tab, except all of the rotations are in the 0 to 360 range always. Previous versions of VTube had the 360 clockwise grid, which basically has the inverted rotations. The rotations run positive clockwise, which is not the way VTube thinks. And so that was confusing some of our users, and so I added 360 counterclockwise, which runs with the rotations running positive counterclockwise if you're facing the front of the bender. So you can see here that this grid is going to allow anything in the 0 to 360 range, but not anything in the negative range. So for example, if I type in, let's just say negative 135 here, it's going to change it to positive 225. But back here in incremental, you're going to see the negative 135. So this directly corresponds to the way VTube thinks, but it always ensures that the rotations are 0 to 360. Now I've also added the capability if, for example, you enter something that's way out of range of the 360, it's going to solve it for you. So that was a positive 420, this is a negative 420. So you can see that it solved that for you. Now the 360 counterclockwise, again, is different than the 360 clockwise because these have rotations that run in the opposite direction to each other. If you enter data in here thinking that the rotations are running positive counterclockwise in this clockwise chart, you will create a mirror image part, and that's something you'll want to avoid. So if you mean to enter data in the orientation where counterclockwise is a positive rotation, then you'll want to be sure to choose this grid and not this grid if you want to use 0 to 360 rotations. So if you have any questions about what I've shown you here in this video, please be sure to reach out to me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.